Good day everyone. This is Basic Math Gaming. For our daily maths number 2, this is our problem. What is the sum of numbers from 1 to 100? A. 5,000, B. 10,000, C. 5,050, or D. 10,100. So madalas lumabas ang topic na ito sa LET, sa civil service, at sa mga entrance exam. So, sagutan na natin. Let's go. So, this topic is all about arithmetic series. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is the sum. Okay? So, you have two strategy to answer this problem. Number 1, you can do this manually by adding 1 to 100. Or pwede kayo gumamit ng mas madaling method, which is ang paggamit ng formula. Ano nga ba ang formula ng arithmetic series? S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. In this formula, may makikita kayo na n, a sub 1, at a sub n. So, ano-ano ba yung mga symbol na yon or notation na yon? So, we have n is the number of terms. Kung ilan ba ang involved na number sa series na ito. A sub 1, which is the first term. Ito yung pinaka-unang involved na number. And a sub n, which is the last term. Okay? So, now, let us apply the formula. First thing to do here is kailangan malaman nyo ano ang value ni n. Basically, the value of n here is 100. Because you need to know what is the sum of 1 to 100. So, basically, 1 to 100 is 100. A sub 1 is basically 1. Okay, based on the given. And then, a sub n is equal to 100. Okay? So, after you identify the given, you will now substitute the given into the formula. So, S sub 100 equals 100 divide 2 times the quantity of 1 plus 100. So, now, we will now apply or perform the indicated operation. So, kung ano yung nakikita nyong operation. So, dito meron tayong divide. Okay? And then, dito naman meron tayong addition. So, actually, pwede nyo silang pagsabayin. Okay? So, 100 divide 2 is 50 times the quantity of 1 plus 100 is 101. Perform the indicated operation. So, we have 50 times 101. And we all know that 101 times 50 is equal to 5,050. So, therefore, our answer is equal to 5,050, which is letter C in our choices. Yun lang, sana naintindihan nyo. Kung meron kayong friends na mahilig sa math, share nyo to sa kanila. Follow for more.